Four men were killed during an alleged shootout with lawmen in downtown Kingston on Wednesday morning. One policeman was injured. Reports said that two officers were on patrol along Princess Street in the vicinity of the hospital when they heard several loud explosions coming from Orange Street. The lawmen proceeded to the area where they reportedly saw several men firing at each other. This further reported that seeing the lawmen, the men opened fire at them. The men then ran in different directions when the lawmen returned fire. A white Toyota vehicle was later seen driving out of an open parking lot. The men aboard reportedly opened gunfire at the police and drove up Orange Street. The police went in pursuit. The vehicle crashed at the intersection of King Street and Charles Street. Police reports are that 6 men exited the vehicle firing at the lawmen who returned fire. 3 of them were hit and fell to the ground. Reports are that 3 9mm pistols were taken from them. A search of the vehicle was carried out and 2 M16 rifles were reportedly found. The other men escaped in the area. Shortly after, one of the men who had reportedly engaged the police and had made his escape was seen suffering from gunshot wounds. He was assisted to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. During the shooting, the men also fired on a team from Kingston West Division that came to help. A constable was shot and injured in his right arm. He is being treated at hospital. An investigation into the incident has been launched. A man was killed in an alleged confrontation with the police in Sterling Green Jail, Westmoreland, Wednesday morning. He has been identified as 28-year-old Pete Tedlai Bowen. Preliminary reports from an Observer Online police source are that the cops went on an early morning operation in Bowen's community. The police said upon attempting to search the premises, the man allegedly fired at them. According to the police source, the lawmen in fear of their life took evasive action. When the shooting subsided, Bowen was seen suffering from gunshot wounds. He was transported to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Investigations are ongoing.